Hello, Power Builders! I'm Tammy, founder and executive director of Hills and Valleys nonprofit organization, which is a registered charity where we believe in people and in which we operate with strategy. At Hills and Valleys nonprofit organization, we believe in the power of strategic support, practical tools, and genuine encouragement. We want to help and we aim to help individuals, families, and communities reach their fullest potential. At Hills and Valleys nonprofit organization, we start with the heart and the heartbeat of every person's interests, insights, and visions. The heart of communities in which the collective heartbeats are synced together in harmony. The heartbeat needed to develop effective and tailor-made strategies that will advance both individual and collective goals to next and to better. At Hills and Valleys nonprofit organization, we meet people where they are, and therefore we serve them with what they need, whether it's a warm pair of socks, a hygiene kit, support during a crisis, or the tools required to build a better future. Hills and Valleys nonprofit organizations programs are customized, strategic, and deeply human. They are designed to respond quickly, thoughtfully, and effectively. Hills and Valleys nonprofit organization, we support individuals through literacy, employability, and personal development. We also partner with organizations so that we can amplify the voices of both the racialized and marginalized groups. At Hills and Valleys nonprofit organization, we don't do it alone. We collaborate with governments to build responsive, community-aligned programs. We believe that transformation just doesn't happen in isolation, and that's why we work in collaboration, because together we go further. Hills and Valleys nonprofit organization believes in shared strength. Lasting change isn't something one person can do alone. We work through meaningful partnerships because transformation is a shared journey. Alone, we can support, but together, we can empower. We partner with purpose. We know that real lasting change comes through connection, and that's why we walk alongside others, because transformation happens when we move forward together. I am so pleased to say that Hills and Valleys nonprofit organization is also involved with partnering organizations and is part of the EmpowerInnovate Movement. This is a powerful partnership where Tammy Services Corporation and Flame Delights works together with us to help learn strategically, give meaningfully, and celebrate with intentionality. Here's the impact. 10% of all the profits from Tammy Services Corporation and Flame Delights are donated directly to support Hills and Valleys nonprofit organizations empowering nonprofit programs and services. Every hygiene kit, every strategic workshop, every moment of hope shared is because someone like you chose to believe in this mission. We thank you, we appreciate you, and we ask you to continue to support our plans and our endeavors. We need you, we appreciate you, and we ask you to continue to partner with us. Let's keep going. Let's keep growing. Let's keep showing up for each other and for the community. Because together we are stronger, together we are strategic, empowered together we will. Join us, donate, partner. Please take a moment to visit hillsandvalleys.ca or on our socials at Hills and Valleys Nonprofit, or connect with me, Tammy, at hillsandvalleys.ca. Bye for now. Bye.